Hey guys, so we received here this Amazon gift card for Christmas, and in this video we want to explain to you how to redeem one of these gift cards to your Amazon account. So for one, we're going to show you how to do this on the Amazon smartphone app, but we're also going to show you how to do this on the Amazon website as well. So let us start out with the website, and here we're going to open up the browser and we're entering amazon.com, and in the upper right corner you're going to find here this menu item account and lists, and in here on the right side you see account, so we're going to click on that. Now on the left side you see here this button that says gift cards, so let us click on this one, and here for one we can see our current gift card balance, and also below you see your recent gift card activity. And then on the left side we're going to see the one button that says redeem a gift card, so this is what we want to select when we want to redeem our new gift card here. So let's click on that, and this will take us to the next screen, and here we find this big text field in light blue, and this is where we're going to enter our gift card code. So where do we find this code? So let us have a look at the gift card itself. So if we turn this around, then you find a couple of numbers here with a UPC code and a serial number, but the important part here is right now still hidden under this little piece of plastic. So either you use a coin and rub that off, or sometimes now this is like a newer version of gift card where we can just simply peel off this plastic strip, and underneath we're going to find here our gift card code. So this is the one that we want to type into our website, but also we can of course use the Amazon app, and that is actually way more convenient. So let me show you how this is done. So here we're going to also go to our account. So first on the bottom you see this icon with this person, and then in the upper left corner you see your account. And now here this is a big list, and we're going to scroll down quite a bit. So very far down until we see here payments, so the payment options. And the second item in this list here we see manage gift card balance. So let us select that one. And then here our very first option is again redeem another gift card. So let us select this one, and now here, as we've seen before on the website, we can here enter our gift card code that we see here on the back side. And the much easier option though is to use the camera of our smartphone. So if we don't want to enter the code manually, then we just select here scan your gift card, and that will open up the camera of our smartphone. And all we have to do now is hold the gift card into the viewfinder of our camera and somewhat line this up with those little gray squares that we see on the screen. But you have to be aware, if you still see this pop-up that we see here right now on the bottom of the screen that says here reveal your claim code by removing the label, and center the claim code with the above frame, then as long as you see this pop-up, this won't work. So you have to actually press on this little got it. See this got it on the bottom right of that pop-up. You have to select that, otherwise it's not going to work. Otherwise the application is not going to find or read this gift card code properly. So make sure you press here on got it. And then as soon as we've done that, and we're going to hold the gift card code into the viewfinder of our camera, and you see here the squares are going to pulsate a little bit, and the smartphone app is going to read the gift card code automatically. And then just to make sure, we can check that the code is correct, and as soon as we've confirmed that, then we're going to press here the button that says apply to your balance, and now within a couple of seconds the new gift card balance is going to be added to our Amazon account. Okay, and that was already it for this video. I hope you found the information helpful, and if you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.